Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the fee token using Trust Wallet and Pancakeswap. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how to purchase BNB on Binance, transfer it over to your smart chain wallet on your Trust Wallet, and then swapping it for the fee token. I'd also like to let you guys know as well, I do have lots of cryptocurrency tutorials coming out on a daily basis. So if you guys are interested in learning how to buy, how to sell, and more within cryptocurrency, I really recommend subscribing to this channel as I have lots of videos coming out into the future that should help you guys out. Anyways, let's get started with this video. Just stay tuned and I'll show you guys exactly what to do to get your fee token. The first step that you guys want to do is you guys want to download Trust Wallet from the App Store. So just head over to the App Store and type in Trust Wallet. So I'm going to head over here, search, then just search for Trust Wallet. And it'll just be this first one right here, Trusts, and then the crypto and Bitcoin wallet. So you just want to download that first. Then obviously you want to make sure that you have Binance or Coinbase or an exchange of some sort. And then create accounts on Binance, which is pretty straightforward. Most of you guys probably already have that or an exchange that you guys at least have access to. So I'll just leave that as it is. So just make sure you guys download the Trust Wallet first. Once you guys do that, you can exit out of here and open up Trust Wallet. You'll then be greeted with this right here to create a new wallet. So you're going to want to go ahead and click on create a new wallet. And then it's going to let you know here that you have to back up your wallet now, and you will see 12 words that allows you to recover your wallet in the next step. So you just got to click on the bottom here that I understand that if I lose the recovery words, I will not be able to access my wallet. So it's very, very important that you guys do not lose these words or else you will lose access to your wallet. And I do not recommend taking a screenshot either. I recommend just writing it down on a piece of paper and putting it in a safe place. Anyhow, you just want to click on I understand for that and then continue. Then here is your 12 words that you cannot show anyone or anything like that. I'm obviously not going to use this account. That's why I'm okay showing it. But these are the words that you guys want to write down and keep in a safe place, or else you could lose all your cryptocurrencies that you have in your wallet. Very, very important. Anyhow, once you're done writing this stuff down, you can click on continue. And then you're going to have to put the words in here to verify the recovery phrase. So just make sure you guys go ahead and do that. And then once you guys put those words in and in the right order, you will see this message here that your wallet was successfully created. That's exactly what you want to see. So you just want to go ahead and click on OK here. And then what you guys want to do next is you want to transfer over BNB or Smart Chain here. So you're going to have to go to an exchange that you either can purchase BNB or Smart Chain or you already have some in. So I'm just going to show you guys Binance, for example. So we're just going to exit out of here and head over to Binance Exchange. And what you guys want to do on here is you want to either purchase BNB or you could trade it from another crypto into it. So if you guys don't have anything in here yet, you guys first want to obviously create an account on Binance, but I'm going to assume you guys have already done that. So once you guys are done doing that, you just want to go to a deposit option here. So whether it's a bank transfer or a Visa or MasterCard, you can go ahead and click on that. Once you guys are in here, you guys can just go over to where it says buy. And you just want to switch this over to BNB. And then you just want to choose the amount from your native currency that you guys want to transfer into BNB. So let's just say if I wanted to do $500, I can type in $500, and then it will give me 0.73 BNB. Now, if you're okay with this, you can just click on continue at the bottom, and then it will go into your Binance wallet. Now, to withdraw your BNB, you just want to go over to the bottom right corner where it says wallets. Click on that. Then you just want to scroll down until you find BNB. Once you guys find BNB here, you just want to go ahead and click on it. Then you want to click on withdraw. What you guys want to do now is you guys want to exit out and back over to your Trust Wallet. Click on the Smart Chain. And then you want to click on receive, copy. And this was going to copy the address for the Trust Wallet. Now you're going to want to put the BNB into the Smart Chain because it's going to be a lot easier just to quickly transfer it into the coin that you guys are looking for. So yeah, just transfer the BNB over to the Smart Chain just like I did here. So you just want to back out of here, back over to Binance, and then you want to click on address and paste that address right here. Now I already have it in my whitelist, so I can just click on it, but you guys are just going to want to paste it up at the very top there. Now what you guys want to do is you guys want to click on network and just make sure it is on the BEP20 right here that mine is on. You just want to click on confirm for that, and then you want to click on the amount that you want to transfer. So if you want to transfer all of your BNB, just click on max, or you can click on the amount that you want to type in and just type in the amount that you want. Once you guys do that, you just want to click on withdraw at the bottom here. Once you guys click on withdraw, it should only take about a couple minutes to go over to your Trust Wallet. So we'll just give that a couple minutes, and then you just want to head back over to your Trust Wallet. And now once you guys have your BNB in your Smart Chain wallet, whether you guys purchased it on Trust Wallet or you purchased it from another exchange like Binance and then transferred it over, you just want to make sure it's in your Smart Chain wallet. So let's just say, for example, you guys have it in your BNB wallet. You just want to go ahead and click on BNB, click on more, and then click on swap to Smart Chain. It will then show up in your Smart Chain wallet, just right at the bottom here that I have. You want to make sure it's in that so it shows in your balance when you go over to Pancakeswap. Anyhow, once you have your BNB in your Smart Chain wallet, you want to go ahead and add the feed token to Trust Wallet. And to do that, I'll have a link in the description over to BSC Scan, where you guys can copy the contract address and then put it into your Trust Wallet. So I'll just head over to that link right now and show you guys what to do. Once you guys are on BSC Scan here, you just want to scroll down where you see the contract address right here and just click on those little two squares beside the contract address to copy it. Once you guys have that copied, you can exit out of here and head over back to Trust Wallet. Once you're back into Trust Wallet, you just want to go to the top right corner where you see the two lines and the two circles. I'll also put a red circle around it. You just want to go ahead and click on that, and you want to go to the search and paste that contract address in the search. Then you will see the feed token pop up here. So you just want to go ahead and click on Enable and then click on Done. Once you guys have that done there, you want to go ahead to the browser on the bottom of your screen. If for whatever reason you guys don't have the browser, you'll have to go to the next link I have in the description. It'll be over to the Trust Wallet support page where it'll show you guys exactly how to add that browser icon to the bottom of your Trust Wallet. So to do that, I'll show you guys really quickly what it looks like. You just want to head over to that link I have, and it'll just be over to the community page on Trust Wallet. Once you're on the page, you just want to scroll down, and you're going to have to click on this link right here where it says Trust Browser Enable. So just click on that link, and then you'll see this pop up here asking you to open up in Trust Wallet. You want to go ahead and open it, and then it will pop up the browser icon there at the bottom of your screen. Very, very simple and easy to do. Once you guys are done doing that, you can go ahead over to your browser, and you want to find Pancakeswap and open it up. Now, if this is your first time on Pancakeswap, you will have to connect your wallet. And to do that, you just want to go to the top of your screen where you see the connect button, click on that, and then click on Trust Wallet, and then your wallet address will show up in the top right there. Once you guys have that done, you guys can come down to the exchange portion, and you just want to make sure that your balance is in your BNB Smart Chain wallet, and it'll show your balance right there. For whatever reason, if you guys don't see your balance there, again, just make sure that you guys have your BNB in your Smart Chain wallet. Anyhow, once you guys have all that there and you see your balance, you can go ahead and click on Select a Currency, and you want to paste that same address that we got from BSC Scan into here. You will then see the feed token right there, so you just want to go ahead and click on Add, and then click on the token. Once you guys have done that, you want to set your slippage tolerance. So you can go up to right beside where it says exchange, where you see the three lines. Just go ahead and click on that, and you can set your slippage tolerance here. I have mine currently on 12, but for this token, 10 should do. You guys can then play around with the slippage tolerance as well if you would like to. You don't have to use 10. I just recommend using 10 because a lot of these coins are very, very volatile, and you just want to avoid having to put through multiple transactions because you do pay fees every time you guys do so. So you guys can play around with this though. I'm just going to use 10 for the video example. So I'm just going to click on Done here and then click on X. Once you guys have done doing that, you just have to decide how much BNB that you guys want to transfer over into the feed token. So let's go ahead and put in 0.2 as an example, and then it will show you how much feed token you will get in exchange for the BNB. Now, if you guys are happy with what you see here for the exchange, you could just click on where it says insufficient BNB balance for me. Once you guys click on that, you will be brought to another page where you'll see your withdrawal fees and the rates and stuff like that that you have to pay for the exchange. Now, if you guys are okay with what you see there, you can go ahead and click on confirm for the swap. And then once you guys do that, you can click X out of there and go back over to your wallet, and then your feed token will arrive in your wallet usually within a couple minutes. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to get the feed token using Trust Wallet and Pancakeswap. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.